How we doing, guys? Welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So today Missy got a hold of me and her work is giving away some block from some renovations they did there. Now, we live on very hilly property. If you live on property that has erosion problems, you understand the value of fill block and fill concrete or whatever. Now, we have a new road that was put in this year by the electric company. I'll be doing a video on that, but basically they just left us a culvert, a big metal culvert instead of the bridge. They took their bridge out and just gave us a culvert. So I've got to fill in around that. And we have a wash point going down the road that has to be addressed, because if we lose it, it could actually push the road off of our property. So for these reasons, I'm going down to pick these up. Missy's gonna bring the actual semi-full blocks home in the back of her little truck daily, because it's more cost effective, but her truck is not strong enough to carry the pallets full of rubble. So we're gonna take my old beater, we're gonna go down there, pick them up, bring them back, toss them over the hill, and start filling in these bad spots. Let's go. So, as you can see, you did a great job putting it in. It's getting a little windy. I'm gonna strap the top down just to keep it closed in, and I'm gonna come back this afternoon and get another load. Unfortunately, my truck can't handle 2 of these at once just because it puts too much weight on the back of the truck. So let's get this thing home. Alright guys, we're back at the house now. As per usual, in this time of year and this winter, it's raining. I just can't win. So now we're gonna go over the hill, down our road, and get down to the point where I'm gonna hand unload this stuff out over a bank that's starting to wash out. This is gonna be fun. So first thing we have to do is lock it in 4-wheel drive. Alright, so we're in 4-wheel drive now. Gonna go over this hill. This hill is sheer at the top, so I'm probably gonna slide and tear up the road. I hate to go down, but I gotta get this off the truck. That way I can go pick up some wood from another job site, come back, and then be back down at my wife's work at 4 to pick up another load. And then we'll do the same thing again tomorrow, and she'll be bringing some home in the evenings as well. So let's get over this hill. All right guys, so we're at the choke point here. I want to show you what we've got. So you can't see it because they're buried under mud, but there's actually 3 stages of tiles through here that catch water. And then they send it down, and most of the top water also hits this. There's a big pipe that runs across it. Right there, it's side cut, so it goes in sideways instead of going around it. Now, I also have runoff from my neighbor's property runoff from up the hill that all hit right here. It's just a bad spot. So it goes across and hits there. Then we come over here and it comes out the other side. So I'm not worried about it down there where it's making like the long divot that goes over the hill and winds back and forth. That's fine. Right here, we're losing the width of the driveway. So we need to be filling this in, and as I build it up, we'll extend that pipe out for a farther throw and just keep building this up. But it wouldn't be cost effective to fill this with stone buying it. It's too expensive. So we get stuff given to us for free and we'll fill this in. And I'll start setting metal posts and building a wall and building this all out throughout this summer. So let's get it. So I'm getting ready to go pick up the second load. I have been out working and hauling home firewood, but we're going to get the second load of block and rubble. Only in Ohio can it hail, rain, and then get sunny, rain while it's sunny, high wind, and then snowflakes. This makes no sense, but I guess I should be used to it. I do live in Ohio. Alright guys, so we're also going to be taking these, but they'll go home in my wife's little truck. Every day she'll grab probably 10 or 15 of them and take them home. We'll use them by the bridge there. You'll see that in an upcoming video. But right now I'm all ready and he'll be out here in a minute to shove another pallet full in here. So we're all loaded up and strapped down. Of course the wind is picking up now real bad, but we had some big chunks that were all like concreted together inside the blocks with steel, and a couple loose ones we threw in too. Let's get this home before the weather turns on us. All right guys, and we're back over the hill. Now I don't know if you can hear it, it may not seem like it, but the wind is really picking up. We're supposed to have strong damaging winds tonight. This is not the place to be standing in high wind because limbs fall down. So we're gonna get this unloaded. I got the block and a bunch of heavy stuff here in the back. This is full of concrete all the way through. So I basically just have to roll them out, throw them over the hill, unload this, and get my butt back up the hill before the weather changes anymore. So let's get it. All right guys, so it's all put down in the hole. Starting to really get some build up here to where it's not gonna wash out as bad. We still need to put a lot more in here. Like I said, I got 2 more loads down there that we're gonna get of this stuff that we're gonna put in there. All the blocks are gonna go further down the hill, down by where the bridge used to be. I'll explain all that in another video. We're getting there though. And it didn't cost us anything. That's the thing. You gotta keep your eyes open for opportunities, whether it's on Facebook, on Marketplace, Craigslist, whatever your local thing is, or just talking to people. And you can go do things like this that cost you nothing more than the gas and a little bit of time. But if I went and bought that amount in stone, oh my, that'd been expensive. That'd cost me some. Plus, you know, I was already out bringing home firewood anyway, so a little more hauling for the day, not a big deal. But it feels good to know that I got to start on this, and as this starts to wash now, it'll at least stop at the brick for a while. So I bought myself some more time essentially. But we appreciate you guys coming along with us on these videos. I know it's probably not the most entertaining video, but it'll show you if you got a place that's washing, jump on it, address it, because this can get costly real fast. Real fast. You start losing a road, you're gonna start having to pay big to get her fixed. So eyes open for opportunities. They come along every day. I gotta say, we save thousands of dollars every year just by opportunities coming along, and we jump on them. We don't wait. So I'm gonna get my butt up the hill, get some dinner. I'm tired and I'm hungry, and I gotta get up and do this tomorrow. Grab those 2 other ones. I think you guys have seen enough. So I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate you guys coming along with us, and we'll see you in the next one.